Hey guys, it is Nate here and we're back with another video, and today I am going to be doing an unboxing, because I mean obviously it's already open, but unboxing of the Texas Speed long tube headers. So yeah, let's get right into it. So as you can see here, we got the headers, which are pretty sure they're 1 7/8 by 3. I think this part's 3. I'm not too sure, but yeah, they're 1 7/8, and I'd say they're pretty good quality for the money. They're only like $1,100, I think. So I mean, they look decent, and can't wait to get these put on, because then we will get it tuned up and we will be making a little bit more power, so that'll be sweet. As you can see here, we have the high flow cats, and then the connection pipes, and then we have in here are the gaskets that go against the header, or in between the header and the engine block. And then we have the O2 extensions, and then there's some clamps. So can't wait to get these put on. I don't know when they're going to be put on, but it'll probably be a while. Sorry about the shorter videos. It's winter time, so the car's not going anywhere. So I mean, there's really no content to like interesting, at least. So I'm kind of just going off with what I have, but hopefully that will change next year, and we'll have a ton of great content for you guys, like point of view drives, as I said in one of the videos. I don't remember, but do like point of view drives with a GoPro, and some install videos of stuff. So it should be pretty cool, but for right now, just bear with me. Get through these probably like a couple months, 3-4 months, as we wait for winter to go away, and we will be doing some cool stuff that I think you guys will enjoy. So appreciate you guys watching the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next video.